All right, guys, so let's get started here. First thing we're going to do is clean the perimeter, and I am using glue this time with this installment. So I am cleaning off the remaining residue from previous installments and just making sure my base is clean before I do the install. Okay, so for this method, I am not doing the ball cap method because honestly, this wig is really going to be on for maybe like a day or two, and the ball cap method is not necessary. I'm not going to put this directly on my hairline, so it's really no benefit for me if I did the ball cap method. So that is why you're not seeing me do that step here with this installment. Okay, so as I'm doing here, I'm just clipping the hair back away from my face. That way I don't get any of the hair that's not wanted in the glue or just out the way, so that I can see the desired area that I'm going to need to apply the glue at. And if you're wanting to know what type of hair this is my Jessica hair that I ordered from Amazon, and I believe it's been about 2 years that I've had this hair. So in case anyone is wondering, I will put the link to that in my description box below if you want to see that tutorial and that review. So in this step right here, I'm using a white eyebrow pencil, and I'm using that as a direction to show me how far up I need to go with the glue, and it just helps guides me when I'm trying to apply the wig after I apply the glue, so that way I don't go too far above, because I can look real crazy if so that's really why I use that method. And I already installed it here. So guys, now I'm just going in to do the hairstyle on my hair. This is the first time I've tried something like this with the Bantu knots. Just wanted to do something different with this hair. So that is what we're going to be doing here. Just trying to part and style the hair. So I'm not going to do too much talking here. Let you guys just watch and see how I style it. Okay guys, so I'm just starting to work the Curl Miracle by Ozzy products onto the hair. And honestly, y'all, I have like a love-hate relationship for curly hair. I love how curly hair looks, but the reason why I don't like it too much also is because it's hard to keep the curl, because once you put the product and everything on the hair looks good. But when it dries out is when you get that little fro, and I don't like that fro. So I know that's probably something I just have to work on. The more you like deal with curly hair, you find out products that work best. But for the most part, I mean, I still like it, but it's just like a lot of maintenance that I really don't enjoy. So that's why I have a love-hate relationship with curly hair. But this Jessica hair is the best hair I've had with curly hair. So again, I am going to put that in the description box below so y'all can see my review as well as where you can purchase the hair from Amazon. Okay, next here I'm just going in with my water spray bottle, and I'm just spraying my hair, and then I'm just going in with my I don't even know the name of this brush, but it's a great brush for detangling, and I actually got this from Amazon also. But I'm just combing out the hair, detangling it, and then I'm just going in on top of that and using the Aussie Miracle curl on top of that. So that's all I'm doing here is just spraying it, detangling it, and then I'm going in with that product to help style the hair. All right, guys, so I didn't record me doing this step on the other side, but I did the same process to style that side of my head. This is new for me, showing me doing an installment and all these steps. I mean, I've done an installment before, but I feel like it's a little bit different because I'm actually like styling my hair opposed to my normal install. But if you guys enjoyed this video and have made it this far, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I will see you guys in the next video.